What was Ivan Pavlov originally studying when he discovered classical conditioning? A. How dogs react to food. B. How rats respond to lights. C. How people respond to love. In Pavlov's experiment, what is the bell ticking sound? A. Unconditioned stimulus, UCS. B. Unconditioned response, UCR. C. Conditioned stimulus, CS. In Pavlov's experiment, dogs eventually drooled just by hearing a tone. In this experiment, what is the conditioned response? A. Tone. B. Food. C. Drooling. Before the calculus exam, Jeremy found a four-leaf clover which made him feel confident. He got an A+. Now he always thinks about the four-leaf clover before a big test to make him feel ready. Which of the following was originally the neutral stimulus? A. Calculus exam. B. A+ grade. C. Four-leaf clover. When Becca was a kid, she fell out of a treehouse and broke her arm. Now she feels scared of heights. In this scenario, which of the following is the unconditioned response? A. Heights. B. Breaking an arm. C. Fear. If a caveman starts to fear big furry animals that growl like a lion, but knows not to be afraid of a small furry animal like a mouse, what survival adaptation is occurring? A. Taste aversion. B. Discrimination. C. Extinction. In the little Albert experiment, what went from being a neutral stimulus to a conditioned stimulus over time? A. Crying. B. Loud sounds. C. Fluffy white objects. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. You were bitten by a snake when you were a child. Now you fear all snakes, lizards, salamanders, etc. This is an example of blank. Generalization, discrimination, acquisition, extinction. 6 weeks ago, Jacob ate a chicken sandwich that made him very ill. Now when Jacob sees a chicken sandwich, he starts to feel ill again. This is an example of A. Taste aversion. B. A neutral stimulus. C. Generalization. How do we learn through classical conditioning? You may use the audio option to record your answer.